Today I am reviewing the GoPro Hero. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a compact, durable, and high-performance action camera, the GoPro Hero is a fantastic choice for both beginners and adventure enthusiasts. This small yet powerful camera packs a lot of features into a lightweight 86-gram body, making it easy to carry in your pocket, backpack, or mount on your gear for any adventure. Despite its ultra-compact size, it delivers the high-quality footage and rugged durability that GoPro is known for. One of the first things you'll notice about the Hero is its rugged, waterproof design. It can handle depths of up to 16 feet, which means you can take it swimming, snorkeling, or even capture muddy mountain biking sessions without worrying about damage. This makes it perfect for outdoor adventures, whether you're exploring nature, hitting the trails, or just capturing fun moments around town. The image quality is another highlight. The GoPro Hero records video in stunning 4K Ultra HD, allowing you to capture smooth, crisp footage with vibrant colors and excellent detail. In addition to video, it can take 12-megapixel photos, and if you want, you can even grab 8-megapixel stills directly from your video using the GoPro Quik app. This feature is perfect for capturing the perfect shot from an action-packed moment without missing a beat. Using the Hero is incredibly simple. With super intuitive controls, all you have to do is frame your shot and hit the shutter button. That simplicity makes it ideal for capturing spontaneous adventures or complicated action scenes where every second counts. You don't need to dig through complex menus. This camera is built for instant results, which is perfect when you're on the move. Another advantage of the GoPro Hero is its versatility in mounting. The kit comes with a curved adhesive mount, a mounting buckle, and a thumb screw, allowing you to attach the camera to helmets, bikes, or other gear. You can also hold it in your hand or carry it in a pocket for spontaneous filming. Its compact form factor makes it easy to take along on hikes, bike rides, snowboarding trips, or even casual city explorations without weighing you down. GoPro also designed this camera for convenience when it comes to sharing your footage. With the GoPro Quik app, you can quickly transfer your videos and photos to your smartphone, edit them, and post them online or share them with friends. This makes it simple to showcase your adventures in real time or create polished videos for social media. In summary, the GoPro Hero combines compact design, rugged durability, stunning 4K video, and easy-to-use controls into one powerful package. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first action camera or an experienced adventurer needing a lightweight, portable option, the Hero delivers professional quality results in a pocket-sized body. It's waterproof, rugged, and versatile enough to handle anything you throw at it, from extreme sports to everyday exploration. If you want a reliable camera that captures all your adventures in incredible detail while being easy to carry and operate, the GoPro Hero is an outstanding choice. It's more than just a camera. It's your go-to companion for every adventure, big or small.